Hey, it's Bey, and the official Apple iPhone silicone cases are pretty pricey. $40 for a silicone case is a lot of money, but there are alternatives out there that you can choose from. The one I have here is from Elago, and it's in the very pretty lavender color, but it comes in many other colors that you can choose from. I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon if you're interested. I was very impressed when I first held the case in my hands. It's very high quality inside and out. The silicone feels premium, and it has this really soft and smooth feel that gives you a comfortable grip. It is a matte finish, which I love because it doesn't show any sort of fingerprints and it looks amazing in any kind of light. The inside of the case has a microfiber lining that helps protect your phone from scratches. I was very shocked by the quality of this case, especially considering the price. There aren't any sort of rough edges, well, maybe around the buttons, but that's very subtle and you would have to be looking at it from really close up to notice. The resivity is great, except for the camera cutout in my opinion. It's a little too shallow for my tastes, but the case isn't too thick, which is a worthy trade-off for me. The front lip is raised higher than the tempered glass screen protector that I have on though. The button feels very tactile and responsive, and the speaker and charging port cutouts are very precise. The volume switch is a little bit on the smaller side, but I've had no problems accessing it whatsoever. I really love how this case looks, especially in the lavender color. It's just so pretty. Even though I'm used to carrying my phone with a super thin case now, I absolutely love how my phone feels in the hands with the silicone case on. And the extra protection is really nice too. That's pretty much it. Just a quick little video showing you an awesome Apple silicone case alternative that's definitely worth the money, as long as you keep your expectations in check. As always, I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. You know what's up. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.